About the author, Carl August Sandburg was an American poet, writer, and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. During his lifetime, Sandburg was widely regarded as a major figure in contemporary literature, especially for volumes of his collected verse, including Chicago Poems, Cornhuskers, and Smoke and Steel. He enjoyed unrivaled appeal as a poet in his day because of his experiences. The poem, A Father to His Son, is a kind of verse of worldly wisdom given by a father to a son. Here, an experienced father wishes that his son should lead a good life. A father sees his son nearing manhood. What shall he tell that son? The poet Carl August Sandburg gives a vivid description of a father's worldly wisdom in directing a son who is at the threshold of his manhood. Life is hard. Be still. Be a rock. The father motivates his son to be like a hard rock and withstand life's challenges and sudden betrayals. Life is a soft loam. Be gentle. Go easy. Life is like a fertile soil. We can make our life fruitful if we are gentle and take life as it comes. The poet advises his son that he should be very firm, but at times gentleness overtakes harshness. The growth of a frail flower can shatter and split a strong rock. One should have a deep desire and strong will to achieve. Tell him too much money has killed men and left them dead years before burial. Greed for money has left men dead before they really die. Good men also have fallen prey in quest for easy money. Tell him time as a stuff can be wasted. Tell him to be a fool ever so often. Time for leisure is not a waste. When you seek knowledge, never feel ashamed to be called a fool for not knowing at the same time. Learn from your mistakes and never repeat it. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong and the final decisions are made in silent rooms. He also advises him that solitude is a bliss. It motivates creation and take final decisions in silent rooms. Instead of being one among many, be different if that is your nature. Let him have lazy days, seeking his deeper motives. Let him seek deep for where he is born natural. The son may need lazy days to find his inherent abilities, to seek what he is born for. He will then know how free imaginations bring changes to the world which resents change. He will be lonely enough to have time for the work he knows as his own. During such resentment, let him know that it is time for him to be on his own and work to achieve like Shakespeare, the Wright brothers, Pasteur, Pavlov, and Michael Faraday. With his experience, the poet advises his son to be successful in life, following these certain principles and work to become a great personality, bringing changes to the world. A father to his son was written by a famous poet called August Sandburg. In this poem, an experienced father advises his son who is at the threshold of manhood. He wishes that his son should lead a good life. He asks his son to be a strong rock and withstand challenges. He wants him to be gentle. Too much of money has killed men. He advises his son to learn from mistakes and never repeat them. He wants him not to tell lies. With his experience, the poet advises his son to be successful in life, following these certain principles and work to become a great personality, bringing changes to the world. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.